Kakatapos lang namin.
Manila's finest. Woo!
It's the finest film.
The finest film in this festival.
Chill lang.
Like, whatever anybody says, ito yung best picture, best film for me this year. As in, talagang hands down.
Okay.
Like, grabe, kaya pala natin gumawa ng gandang movie. Kinikilig talaga ako. Ang galing
Hi!
talaga.
Welcome to the Cinegeeks Walk and Talk. I'm Roy.
I'm Angela.
I'm Smash!
Ayun, sige, tuloy. Sige, go lang.
Minsan lang akong magkaroon ng ganitong reaction. Sobrang buzzing. I'm so buzzing right now. So sobrang kilig ko. Like, we Filipinos are capable of making this kinds of films. Grabe, sobrang bawa ko kay Sir Direk Raymond Red. As in, sobrang ganda talaga. I mean, I'm so in love with this film. Can't wait to watch it again. As in, alam mo yung Scorsese meets Coppola. Grabe, meron pang isang scene doon na parang may pagka West Side Story siya. As in, talagang, I love these kinds of films. I love this parang mafia, mob, police, yung banality of evil. Ang galing-galing ni Piolo Pascual. As in, sobrang galing niya. Rico Blanco. Damn, grabe. As in,
Rico Blanco!
oo, grabe.
Ay.
Ibang klase. Lahat. Jasmine Curtis, you know, they have this shorthand with each other. Sila ni Piolo. I love them in real life fiction.
Yes.
And sino pa ba? Sobrang Joey Marquez,
Joey.
Romy. I love din si Enrique Hill. Ang galing
Ay,
niya.
oo.
Ang galing.
Si Cedric Juan, grabe. Ibang klase. Grabe yung flip nila from Gomburza ni Piolo to this.
Yes.
Alam mo yun?
Oo. Sige, okay ba? Sige, smash
Sige
naman.
naman.
Ako,
Smash.
sorry Cedric Juan, I so love you as an actor, pero ilang beses ko minuro yung character mo sa Manila's Finest.
Without
in.
words, no?
Oo, kasi ibig sabihin ko na siya kay Vec. Tapos si Enrique Hill, yes,
Oo.
agree. Bakit? Kasi this is probably his best delivered line.
Yes.
Di ba? Na medyo
Oo.
natanggal yung accent. Hindi,
Yes.
tanggal talaga yung accent.
Tanggal
niya.
tanggal
Oo.
talaga.
Tapos very, tinanggal yung kilala niyang pretty boy.
Oo.
The glamour,
Oo,
oo.
yung
De-glamorized siya, which I
Oo.
love.
Ako, writing and cinematography ang nag-blend well together dito. Lalo yung ending.
Yung screenplay, sobrang ganda nung production
Oo.
design. As in, grabe. It's a
Super.
feast for the eyes. I love it. It's so creative. The research that went into this, like, damn, right, di ba? Si Ariel Rivera, ang galing niya din.
Ay, ito, yung sa research namin mo nun, yung, lalo na sa dulo nyo, kasi yung ano, yung 1970s na logo ng Meralco.
Ay, oo.
Ay,
Talagang
Kinilig
sobrang
ako
kaya.
doon. Kinilig ako doon.
Ay, nako.
Ako ano siya, it's less on exposition but heavy on impact.
Tama.
Yes, yes.
Ay,
I love
nako.
that kind of storytelling.
Tama.
Things na hindi masyadong common denominator, spoon-fed.
In your face.
Oo. As a movie fan, thank you so much for this film.
Ito, sinabi ko to sa'yo kanina, kakasabi ko sa'yo pagkatapos ng movie. Sinabi ko na, nung pinanood ko siya, kasi ako lang yung, for us both, ni Ange and ni Smash, dun sa nung Monday, dun sa Gateway na screening, ako lang yung parang quote-unquote rep natin nun. Na pagkatapos ko manood doon, sabi ko parang, I love the film. Talagang sorry, top tier filmmaking, lahat yun.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, nung habang ng movie, yung pinapanood ko ulit, sabi ko sa'yo parang, I love the film then. I'm in love with the film now. Kung may pwede kang bigyan ng 6, 7 stars out of 5. It's this film. It's this
11
film.
out of
11 out of 10. Diyos
Ako
ko,
second
Maria.
watch ko na rin now eh.
True.
So yeah, mas appreciate ko siya ngayon.
Ay, nako. Alam mo, kung may Blu-ray itong Manila's Finest,
Yeah.
magpe-pre-order na ako ngayon.
Yung
Diyos
steelbook.
ko. Steelbook pa, hindi lang basta yung regular, steelbook din. Ay, nako. So,
I love
yeah,
it so much.
we love
As
it.
in,
I love it. Smash.
It's the finest film
Yeah.
of the year.
Wow.
Charot.
Ay, nako. So, sige na. Titigil na kami kasi paulit-ulit lang sabihin namin dyan. Ay, nako. Manila's Finest. Don't miss it. Please, don't miss it. Don't miss it. Okay? For the Cinegeeks Stand and Talk, I guess, I'm Roy.
Angela.
Smash!
See you next time.